This is I Like Your Bloom, and today we will be showing you how to set up the professional greenhouse by Jiffy. Boom, boom, boom. So to people who are new and want to get into growing plants, vegetables, or flowers of some sort, these are pretty good to use to start your seeds off in. It comes with Super Thrive, which is a plant vitamin for the seedlings. You add it to your water, which we already have ready to go. It comes with 6 labels. You write on whatever type of plant you want to use. You'll be growing for the season. So you just add that in there. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. And it's simple as it gets. You got these little pods, compacted peat inside a little mesh pod. You just pour your water in. Just give it a good old pour. And what they're going to do is they're going to soak up the water, and they will get bigger.
Made over time, and everything that I wrote was just a thought in my mind. You can try to change my mind, but time takes some time. Sometimes life decides I don't mind. You can try to change my mind, but time takes some time. Sometimes life decides I don't mind. You keep me on track, I'm the train. You keep me held down like a chain. You know I don't keep it on inside. Tell you how I feel, don't you try to change my mind. Cause you keep me on track, I'm the train. And you keep me held down like a chain. And you know I don't keep it on inside. I tell you how I feel, and don't you try to change my mind.
And there you have it, boys and girls. 72 wonderful peat pods ready to go for your vegetables or flowers or whatever you feel like growing. So they'll usually have these little kind of holes in them ready for the seeds. You can either use like a end of a paintbrush or toothpick, whatever you want, to open up the holes a little bit more. Once you got your seeds put inside, you can put this lovely lid that they send you, which creates a greenhouse effect, and you set it in front of a windowsill, and you're good to go. You're going to start having some beautiful blooms, some beautiful blossoms, some nice growth. And thank you for watching I Like Your Bloom. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'm the train, and you keep me held down like a chain. And you know I don't keep it on inside. I tell you how I feel, and don't